Therefore, stay indoors. Do not go outside. Do not try to venture out to see what's happening. Notice the cities included in that flash flood warning. If you're in Lakeland, Valdosta, Empress, Thomasville, over towards Spence, even Camilla, as well as Albany and Moultrie, even Adale, yes, water has risen and flash flooding is occurring. That does extend over to Ben Hill, Irwin County, also Turner County, Ashburn, Tift County, Chula included, and then as we move through Worth County, Poland, Ty, right into Sylvester, all areas north and south of Highway 82, and right into the Good Life City, covering mainly the eastern half of Dougherty County. Flash flooding is occurring. Category 2 storm as Helene is weakening, moving further inland, but the center of circulation right now impacting areas from Brooks County to Lowndes County, now moving into Colquitt, Cook County. You are definitely getting some very intense winds, likely hurricane force winds, about 100 miles per hour and even higher. We'll have those gusts as high as 100 as well. Further off toward the west, tropical storm conditions are holding. Those winds are strong as well. Notice the outer rain band, very heavy rainfall coming right through Dougherty County southward. That does move into areas of Decatur County. Heavy rainfall, the eye of the storm right now moving across Valdosta. It is probably quiet for your area, but do not let your guard down. There is more of this storm back off to your south. That's going to be pushing in shortly. Notice that band of very heavy rainfall extending over toward areas of Coffee as well as Atkinson counties. Not only torrential downpours, but also those very strong winds and gusts once again likely to be hurricane force, even hurricane force winds in those locations. We're seeing the brunt of the activity spreading further out toward the north, Cook County into Tift County, and of course here's that band of heavy rain stretching from Dougherty County, moving through areas of Colquitt County and then into Grady County, Mitchell County that is, and that is steadily bringing about that threat of flash flooding, and those areas are under flash flood warnings. From Baconton, the heaviest of the rain is just outside of the city, off to the west, and heavy bands of rain coming right through Albany, portions of Dougherty County. But as you can see, just about all of South Georgia is being impacted right now by Helene, which remains a hurricane, and it is steadily pushing off toward the north across areas of South Georgia. We do have that extreme wind warning with hurricane force winds, and that will be sustained at about 100 miles an hour and even higher. Notice the gust. Hurricane force gusts down in Valdosta at 75. We've got tropical storm force winds, even wind gusts higher, and that's going to stay with us for the rest of tonight, getting us into early Friday morning. Yes, it's going to be pretty rough for the next several hours. Therefore, remain hunkered down, stay in that safe place that you started with early on Thursday evening. Yes, you're going to stay there until we get into early Friday, and even then, be very cautious before going outdoors. And as Helene lifts off toward the north early in the morning, still rather breezy as we move on into our Friday. We're still holding on to a tornado watch until I think it's 5 a.m. in the morning. Still that potential for some brief spin ups.